Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add the artificial background blur in any of your photos. So you can give that DSLR look. So let's just jump right onto the video and show you how you can transform a photo like this into this. But before we go to the video, I'd like to ask you to subscribe this channel so that I can continue making these videos, and also like and share. At first, what you need to do is copy the layer. So press Ctrl J or Command J. And after that, go to the selection, do the right click and do object selection tool. Select the object selection tool. After that, what you can do is do a rough selection of your subject so that you can differentiate between the subject and your background. And when you do a rough selection, you don't have to make it perfect. You do a rough outline of your subject and Photoshop will do the rest. Just give Photoshop a little bit of time so that it can process the result. Now it is done, but as you can see, it is not perfect. So what you have to do is a little bit of manual fine tuning, and for that, go to the quick selection tool or any other method if you like for selection. Zoom in, and after that, just do a little bit of fine tuning. As you are just blurring the background here, so you don't have to make it perfect. A little bit of fine tuning will do. And this is enough for me. Yep, it's perfect. Okay, so now the selection is done. So let's right click here and layer via copy, and after that rename the top layer as your subject and the second layer as your background. Now we will work in the background layer. So for that, turn off your subject layer and that last layer and select the background layer. Go to the filter panel, go to blur gallery and go to tilt shift blur. Now here you can use Gaussian blur, but Gaussian blur will give you a uniform blur which will not look good. It will look artificial as it does in the mobile portrait mode. So just avoid the Gaussian blur, go to the blur gallery and select tilt shift blur. After that, adjust this pointer as you like. Now this is perfect for me. So when it is done, what you need to do here, yeah, it is perfect. Almost a little bit here, a little bit there, and yeah, hit OK and it is done. And give Photoshop a little bit of time to process the result. Now it is done, and as you can see, it is blurred. The entire image is blurred. So now just turn off your subject layer here, and now you can see the difference. Let me just make them a group, and now you can hear the before and the after. Here's the before, after. Let me zoom in. Here's the after. Here's the before. Here's the after. Now I'll go to the next example, and I'll not talk in this example. I'll just show you how long it takes to do such an editing. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope this tutorial will help you. So in the end, if it does, just subscribe the channel, like the video and share it, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.